Our top story today comes from Odisha, where the city of Cuttack has been placed under a 36-hour curfew following violent clashes during a Durga Puja idol immersion procession. The unrest, which began on October 5, quickly escalated into widespread violence, leaving residents tense and authorities scrambling to restore order. According to official reports, the clashes took place primarily in the Dargah Bazaar area, a key site for the idol immersion procession. Stone pelting incidents, confrontations between groups of protesters, and scuffles with the police created chaos in multiple localities. Injuries were reported, and several vehicles and public property were damaged during the clashes. In response to the escalating situation, the Odisha government has deployed 60 police platoons across the city to maintain law and order. Prohibitory orders have been imposed in 13 police station areas, restricting large gatherings, public movement, and other activities that could aggravate the situation. Authorities have also suspended internet services, including social media platforms, to prevent the spread of misinformation and to curb the mobilization of crowds. The Vishwa Hindu Parishad has called for a 12-hour bandh in Cuttack on October 6, demanding justice and accountability for those involved in the clashes. Officials, however, have appealed to the public to remain calm and refrain from taking the law into their own hands, emphasizing that security forces are on high alert to prevent further incidents. Residents of Cuttack are advised to stay indoors and avoid areas where the clashes took place. Shops, schools, and offices in affected zones have been instructed to remain closed until the curfew is lifted. Hospitals and emergency services, meanwhile, are operating under strict security protocols to handle any medical emergencies arising from the unrest. Eyewitnesses report that the violence erupted suddenly during the immersion procession when tensions between groups escalated. Local police attempted to disperse crowds using non-lethal means, but the scale of the confrontation overwhelmed initial containment efforts. Authorities say they are examining footage from the area and will take strict action against those responsible for inciting violence. The internet shutdown and curfew, while temporary, highlight the severity of the situation. Law enforcement agencies are monitoring hotspots using drones, patrol teams, and mobile units to ensure no fresh outbreaks of violence occur. Officials have assured citizens that the curfew will be lifted once the situation is under control and life is expected to gradually return to normal. This incident raises broader questions about crowd management and law enforcement preparedness during major public events in India. The Durga Puja festival, which is celebrated with grandeur every year, draws large crowds, and maintaining peace during such mass gatherings remain a significant challenge for authorities. We will continue to follow this story closely and bring you updates on the curfew, restoration of internet services, and any new developments related to the violence. Stay tuned as we monitor the situation in Cuttack, and remember to follow official instructions to ensure your safety. Thank you for watching.